Hello viewers, in this video I will show you that how you can use count function in Google Sheet. So I already write few important information related to definition here, which is the count function will count cells that contain numbers. Here we have to focus that if any cell contain number, then count function will work. If not number, then will not work. We will prove that it will work with numbers. So what is the syntax? Into a cell we have to type equal, then count, that means count, then first parenthesis, then value 1 comma value 2. You can also select the range instead of defining the value one by one, then close parenthesis. The arguments can be cell references. We can use the cell references or values typed into the count formula. So in the count formula we can cell reference which we prefer, we can mention. The following count function example uses one argument, a references to cell. That was the example. Here I will use another address. Like you see that here I write few item name and I will apply count function in this cell, C number column, C number row. That means here I mark it is as yellow color. Here I type equal, then count, that means count, then press tab key. So first parenthesis automatically showing, then I am selecting the range from C10, then stop at C15, then close the parenthesis, enter. You can see that here 16 number showing, 6 number showing. So from C10 to C15, in this range there are 6 numbers. So this is the very simple sheet, and for example purposes I shown just 6 item, but think when you have thousand and million items, that times you can easily know the total number of item through just using this simple formula, count function. So in this way it can be helpful for you a lot. Thanks for watching the video.